this is Audrey from APM Scootering. I'm Audrey, I'm Tony's wife, and I do not have a motorcycle license. So today's a big day. I'm going to go down to PennDOT, which is Pennsylvania Department of Transportation, try to take my permit for my motorcycle, and then hopefully get everything registered. So I hope it'll be a good day. Wish me well. Not good at taking tests, so we don't know how this is going to go, but I studied my ass off last night and hopefully we'll do well. So I'll see you in a couple hours. Have a great day. Alright, so we're here at PennDOT and it's looking kind of busy for a Saturday, but Saturdays are always busy and it's 8:30 in the morning, so we'll see what we'll do. I'm just going to give you a quick glance of the parking lot and Pennsylvania Department of Transportation, just to kind of give you an idea that I may not be back for a little bit, and hopefully I won't have any tears. Alright, this is round 2, so we're at a different Pennsylvania Department of Transportation because the first one that I went to was so busy with the get a real ID verification of your documents, so the wait was ridiculous. Here in Pennsylvania, our driver's license is not considered now a real ID. So I am at a new Department of Transportation. I'll take a look. Parking lot doesn't look too bad, but we'll see. It's new, so hopefully the wait isn't very long. Alright, so it's 9:19 on Saturday morning. We'll see where this goes, and hopefully I'll see you in a couple minutes. Smiling! Have a great day! Welcome back to APM Scootering. I've just finished my permit test for my motorcycle license / permit. It's 10:29, and I have to say, I passed!
Yeah!
So it was kind of exciting. I waited more time to just take the test, which was done in like 3 minutes. But my wait time was about an hour. So definitely don't delay if you want to take your motorcycle permit in Pennsylvania. Make sure you get here bright and early. I do recommend coming to the Somerdale Plaza. They're pretty quick. It's pretty nice. But again, like I said, I did have to wait an hour. So thanks again for all your support. I look forward to sharing more videos with you on apmscootering.com, and we will check you out later on tonight. Have a great day.